Hello everyone, if you are a person that don't want to be repeating your password anytime that you visit a website, that you don't want to be repeating your password from time and time and again because you keep visiting the website and then you just want the password to be saved on the browser, or just that you have forgotten the password and you want to view the password to know exactly what the password it is. Don't worry, I got you covered on this video. Now with my Edge browser, as I've opened my Edge browser here, so let's try logging in with our email. So let's just say input your email. I've inputted my email. Next, now input the password. Right, so next. Right, so you can see this popped up here as it says save your password. Save your password. Your password will autofill the next time and you will be saved to your Microsoft account. So I can click on this. Yes. Once your password is being saved like this, you can go to the browser settings and then view the password. But mind you, we are using an Edge browser, so it could be different from a different browser. So as our password has been saved, now if we click on this, add a new page, just click on these three dots here and then click on settings. Under settings, just go to your profile. You can see here profile, we have password and autofill. So click on that, passwords and autofill. So we have this here, Microsoft Password Manager. So click on it to drop down. And as you can see here, we have here, these are different accounts which I've used to log in. But before you check on this, what you have to do is that just enable these settings before, right? So you can see we have more settings here. So drop this more settings. As you can see, we have, you just have, if you have checked on these settings that and none of this is enabled, you just have to enable this before you try logging in. If you have tried logging in and it's not prompting you to save the password, you just have to come to these settings here, come to the password and autofill, and then enable all these options. Once you enable them and you try logging in with your account, it's definitely going to alert you whether you want to save the password or not. So now let's view the password. So if you can see here, we have our Google here, google.com. So that is the email that I was trying to log in. So click on it to drop down. And as you can see, this is our email here and this is our password blocked here. So if I want to view the password, I'll just click on this to view the password, whatever the password it is. That is just how easy and simple it is to save or view your password in Microsoft Edge browser. If the video was helpful to you, and if yes, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one. Peace out.